Hi, in this video, I'll cover configuration migration from Palo Alto Networks firewall to FortiGate utilizing FortiConverter application. I have already downloaded PAN XML configuration file on this PC, which I'll be using for this demo. In this configuration file, I have changed Ethernet 1 IP address along with the static route as per my target device I'll be using in this demo. Now, let's move forward to FortiConverter application and start a new conversion. Name the conversion and select the vendor as Palo Alto Networks. On the settings page, we have several options like choose the FortiOS version, upload the source configuration file, and select the target device. In this case, I'll be using FortiGate 400E. FortiConverter also provides the option to discard unreferenced objects from the configuration file. I'll disable this option and select policy index numbers to start from 1. Keeping all other options to the default settings, click Next. At this point, FortiConverter has passed the Palo Alto configuration file. Click Next to move on to Interface Mapping page. Here, I will manually map all the interfaces in the source configuration file to corresponding FortiGate interfaces. Once interface mapping is complete, hit Next to check the routing configuration. Verify the routes and forwarding interfaces. If everything looks good, hit Next to generate FortiGate configuration. We can verify the generated config under FortiGate configuration tab in the left navigation pane. Here we can see interface mappings and IP addresses and other configuration parameters like address, address groups, firewall policies, NAT policies, etc. Let's go ahead and download the configuration file onto the desktop. The file is downloaded in a zipped format. Let's extract the file and navigate to FGT folder where all the configuration files are present. FortiConverter application breaks down the source config into multiple components to make the import process easier and error-free. Config all file contains consolidated configuration which can be used to import all the configuration at once. Now let's move on to FortiGate to test out the configuration. I have reset the FortiGate 400E to factory default settings except the management interface and default route. Let's verify other tabs as well to make sure no config is present on the FortiGate. Fortinet recommends importing individual config files one by one to make sure that the import process goes smoothly. We can import these config files using Scripts option under Configuration tab. I will open a CLI console and enable CLI debug logs to look for any errors while we import the configuration. Since this config is not very big, I will go ahead and directly import config all file. As we can see, both UI and CLI console reports that config import is successful. Let's go ahead and verify this by navigating to various tabs on FortiGate. Here we can see all the mapped interfaces have been assigned IP addresses along with their respective security zones. Next, we can see firewall policies. Here, both IPv4 and IPv6 policies are present along with virtual wire policies. Next, central NAT policies are also configured. Moving forward to addresses, we can see IPv4 and IPv6 addresses along with address groups. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching.